احبك واعشقك لين الله ياخذني، لا عاد فيني جيتي تاكه وصرت لا
Jay flattened by Sheamus. Plowed over by a shoulder tackle, and now Jey Uso driven. Ribs first into the barricade. It's been a whirlwind couple of weeks for Jey Uso, no doubt about that. Thrust into a position he probably never even expected. No, not at all. The #1 contender for Roman Reigns Universal Championship. The bell rings, and we are underway. King Corbin now sending Uso into the corner. Oh, and Corbin missed wildly as Jey Uso bounced out of harm's way. Very curious how the chemistry between Corbin and Sheamus will affect this matchup. It was just a matter of weeks ago. These two were at odds, throwing hands in each other's direction. Now Jey Uso looking to put Corbin away, and a kick out by King Corbin. Uso with a kick right to the midsection. And again, this match is underway, and it's not supposed to be a 2-on-1 handicap matchup. Uso's partner is the Universal Champion Roman Reigns. Oh, and King Corbin with the deep 6 to Uso. Corbin covered to put him away, and a kick out by Jey. You know what you call this? The end.
Oh, wait a minute. And just in time, perhaps. That's not what I had in mind. I was talking about the pro kick, not the big dog.
اقدم يا شيخ المكارم يا شجاع الجوة تفخر بك كبار الزعب وتفخر الصغار زعب العريقة الحيس لها وجهها الخب حاكم الجار لو وقت دقيقة يا هذا شعر من شوال الاخر جمال توت كان قريحه ومالك بعد وصلت لي عزيمه باسم الطير حتى تكروز المهد الذهب تسلم عيارها وانا مع الشعر ما اقبل خطتها الاقتصاد جزات الفكر
قناة خوقان FM.